guys, parasailing out here, and Hurricane Idalia is offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. Today is August 29, 2023. And we are currently at low tide, or getting ready to be at low tide at 9 o'clock. Today is August 29, 2023. We are getting ready to be close to low tide. We're approaching 7 o'clock in the evening, and Hurricane Idalia is just about west-southwest of the Tampa Bay area, picking up strength, intensifying. So the latest 5 o'clock advisory, around 200 miles per hour, and pressure's down to 972 millibars. Is expected to become a major hurricane tonight, and impact the west coast of Florida and the Panhandle region, and our winds will continue to increase. Come up, be about 37 area right now. Seeing low tide though, so this is going to increase. We got a gentleman out here parasailing. Must be a real pro at this. Wow, look at that. Woo! Amazing. There's a look at the sinking here. And Tampa Bay. There's going to be a lot of water damage. It doesn't start going north soon. We're going to have a big problem. About 120 miles offshore of the Tampa Bay area. The time right now is 7:48 p.m. We are here live at the Petersburg Pier. Look at very high waves. They're crashing in onshore here, right along the seawall here. I have my wind meter and thermometer with me. Double check to see what the wind right now. So right now we're getting a big wind. About 50 miles per hour. And we're waiting for some of the cedar bands to work its way around the circulation. That is about 120 miles offshore. Now we see a lot of white powder here. We're expecting about 4 to 7 months tonight. Right now, we are getting closer to low tide. So you can imagine when we do get high tide, water's going to be coming all the way up there and inundating the shore. Right now, we're getting about 10 miles per hour or so. So we're not really into the heavy wind bands just yet. We are seeing very high waves crashing here on shore. All right, we're here at the St. Petersburg Pier, and Hurricane Idalia is about 120 miles west-southwest of the Tampa Bay area in the Gulf of Mexico. We are starting to see the winds increasing as we see those feeder bands rotating around the center of circulation that is driving these high waves on over the seawall. You are seeing the whitecaps outside there, and there is the pier in the background. We are anticipating about a 4 to 7 foot storm surge in and around Tampa Bay overnight, and we're gonna have 2 high tides, one at 3:30 in the morning and the other one at 11:30 in the morning again tomorrow morning. And so this is what we are dealing with right now. We are starting to see a rain band getting ready to wrap around that is showing 50 knots of wind just south of us in Bradenton. Should be here in a few minutes. But there are the waves crashing on shore there. Wow, look at this strong rain band coming in from Hurricane Idalia here in St. Petersburg, Florida. I would have to say the rainfall rates here right now are probably falling about a good 3 to 4 inches an hour. Look at this. Woo! This is one very intense band coming through right now here at St. Petersburg Pier from Hurricane Idalia. And boy, you could see this band just coming through right now. Woo!
To get the big surge. 5 hours. According to the Hurricane Center, it's going to come up 6 feet.
Wow.
So
Yeah, the tide's really low right now. So this is just past low tide. But high tide will start coming up here. You said, what time did you say high tide was going to be?
3:30 in the morning.
Okay.
So in about 5 hours. 6 feet above sea level. This is about sea level. At 6 feet, that's the what the Hurricane Center is seeing.
Okay.
This at 6 feet, and that's kind of that doesn't mean it'll happen. There have been many times where what they were forecasting.
Right.
Realistically, probably somewhere in the middle, maybe up to our waists here, but the waves are gonna basically have the effect of it.
Yeah.
Look how wild. Tampa Bay's only flat.
Yeah.
Really.
The storm surge starting to come in here. St. Petersburg by the pier.
even taking into account.
We have some flooding here in downtown St. Petersburg from Hurricane Idalia.
It starts to weaken once it makes landfall tomorrow morning. They were still expecting some extreme wind gusts, potentially 50, 60, 70 miles an hour as that storm makes its way northeast.
Woo! Look at that. It is overflowing the seawall here. We are looking at about a foot of overwash here right now. This is about a foot of storm surge. Wow. What a hurricane. Absolutely incredible, the force of Mother Nature here. Wow, look at this flooding. This is dock ports from Bar and Grill. And there's the pier. Like that. Look at the waves just overflowing the seawall.